Effective communication is the key to success in life. Whether writing or speaking, mastering these skills can open doors that you never imagined. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the essential skills you need to learn and also where to learn them for free. Also, stick around till the end because I have a bonus tip to help you level up your communication skills. Okay, so let's get started. The first tip I have for you is to practice daily. It's simple, but then practice comes with perfection. But let's be honest, communication in this digital age, it's difficult because there are a lot of distractions everywhere, and sometimes you feel like your message is not being passed across or you've been misunderstood. But don't worry, you are not alone. So what you need to do is just to keep practice. Write a few lines about your day. Write daily using your phone, your notepad, anyone that you prefer. And also for the speaking part, this will sound weird, but I would advise for you to still go ahead and do it. Try talking to yourself. So whether you like positive affirmation or talking about how your day went, you can just record your voice with your phone and just talk and listen to it. That's going to help you get into the habit of talking. With practice, you get better and better. The next tip I have for you is to utilize sources, and the resources I will recommend for you are places like YouTube. YouTube is a university on its own. So there are a lot of information there that you can find for free. You don't need to pay for any courses online. You just go to YouTube and search for writing tips or writing guide. You can watch videos about that. And also you can try Coursera. Coursera has a lot of free courses that you can take on communication. And remember, these are free, so there's no excuse. Take advantage of what you have online. And as I share these tips with you, remember to stick around till the end because I have a bonus tip for you to help you with your communication skills. The next tip I have for you is to seek feedback. And I don't want you to underestimate the power of feedback. What I want you to do is to ask feedback from your friends, families, so that you know where to improve. And you see that gradually you keep improving at every attempt. Is important to seek feedback because without them you will never improve. The fourth tip is storytelling technique. When I started this YouTube channel, the reason I started this YouTube channel, apart from helping you with my knowledge and skills and experiences, I mentioned that in my first video that I want to improve my public speaking skills. And at first, when you start out, it's difficult, but as you keep at it, you keep getting better and better. So if you're one of those that you know that you want to improve your public speaking skills, I will encourage you to start a YouTube channel and share your knowledge to help others, so that while you are helping others, you are improving your communication skills, your speaking skills. And just to push you a little bit more, I have a mentor. You must have heard his name on this channel, Danko. He's one of the YouTubers that I discovered this year, and I have been binging on his videos. His life inspires me to do more and become a better version of myself. So he shared that when he started his freelancing work, he was into web design and he wasn't getting a lot of clients. What he did was to start writing online. And how did he get started? He got ideas from those that are already very good at writing on Twitter. So Twitter was the platform he used to. So he would get ideas from different people and write his own tweets and then tag them. So this idea is gotten from a book called See Like an Artist. So you are not really taking the ideas and then just putting it out there. You are getting the idea, and then from there you come up with your own version of what they've written. That's how he improved his writing skills. If you're a good writer and you are scared of public speaking, definitely, like I said earlier, you need to practice to refine these skills. Yeah, so that should inspire you to put yourself out there and share your knowledge with others to build on your own communication skills. And I forgot to add that now he's a successful entrepreneur and a YouTuber. So you can check out his channel to learn more from him about becoming a business person or an entrepreneur. Drum roll! This is the bonus tip we've all been waiting for to level up our communication skills. And guess what it is? Improving your writing skills also improves your ability of verbally articulating your thoughts. This was discovered by one of my mentors. He noticed this, which propelled his career. And now it's a different story entirely, from a struggling freelancer to a successful businessman. And he believes that if you can improve your writing skills, the ability to articulate your words will become easier. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and also check down in the description below. I've linked a free PDF guide to help you level up your communication skills. So it's free. Just kindly click on the link, and download it to help you with your communication skills. Check out this video to learn more about the things that I did for my personal growth and development, so that you can incorporate some of them into your journey. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.